Good morning, students. Today I am going to start unit test paper 2 of decimal chapters, section A. Section A. In section A, first question is what should be subtracted from 812 to obtain 4 whole 7 by 8. Let the number be x. Then according to question 8 whole 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 4 whole 7 by 8. Yeah, 17 by 2 minus x is equal to 39 by 8. Yeah, 17 by 2 minus 39 by 8 is equal to x. Yeah, 8 68 minus 39 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 29 by 8. So, hence the required number will, the required number is equal to 29 by 8. We are asked what should be subtracted from 812 to obtain 47 is equal to what should be subtracted from 8 whole 1 by 2 to obtain 4 whole 7 by 8. Let number x be subtracted. So according to question 8 whole 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 4 whole 7 by 2, and on transposing 17 by 2 minus 39 by 8 is equal to x. Therefore, on solving, x is equal to 29 by 8. Hence, the required number is equal to 29 by 8, yeah, 3 whole 5 by 8. In 2 number question, you have to multiply, so I do not solve. Third number question is what should be added to 39.587 to give 80.375. Same as let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then if we add x to 39.587, 39.587 plus x is equal to 80.375, which is given 80.37. Now x is equal to 80.375 minus 39.587 is equal to 8 0 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 40.788. If we add 40.7888 then we get 80.375. 3 number question, 40.788. If we add 40.788 in x, then we get the required number. In question number 4, Sushant reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will be read in 1/5 hours? Question number 3, listen. Sushant reads 1/3 Sushant reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. Of a book in 1 hour. So Sushant will read in Sushant will read in 1/5 hours is equal to 1/3 into 1/5 is equal to 1/3 into 11/5 is equal to 11/15 hours. Sushant will read in 1/5 hours is equal to 11/15 part of book. Here in this question, again should try to understand. Sushant reads 1/3 parts of a book in 1 hour. सुशांत एक किताब का 1/3 भाग 1 घंटे में पढ़ता है, तो वह किताब 2.1/5 घंटे में किताब का कितना भाग वह पढ़ लेगा. Here Sushant reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. So Sushant will read into 1/5 hours is equal to 11/15 part of the book. In question number 5, the length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of a rectangle? We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So if we multiply length by breadth, we will get the area of rectangle. At question number 5, solution 5, length is equal to 7.1 centimeter. 7.1 centimeter, and the breadth is equal to given 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. इससे area of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle. We know that आयत का क्षेत्रफल बराबर लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. So multiplying 7.1 by 2.5. Multiplying 7.1 by 2.5, we get the area of rectangle. Is equal to 17.75 centimeter square is equal to 17.75. Here in this question, length of a rectangle is given 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. We have to find the area of a rectangle. we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we multiply length 7.1 by breadth 2.5 centimeter, we get the area 17.75 centimeters per square. So in this way you can solve the questions of unit test paper, section A, section B. I give you task to complete this exercise. In next class, I will solve your problem. Thank you.